friends, in this session we're going to see how to write scientific notations very easily for very large numbers or large numbers in general. Okay, so basically they will be asking in many competitive exams or placement tests, like to check your analytic skills or thinking power. Okay, so just they will be giving very large number like this. For example, I'm taking a large number, that means I'm taking this number so as an example to explain you in a clear way. So that example is nothing but so I'm taking a big random number, that is nothing but 360, and you can say 1 2 3 like that. Okay, 1 2 3, some kind of number I'm taking as an example. Okay, so you need to write this number in scientific notation. So scientific notation in the sense you will going to write in a 10 power 5, 10 power 6, 10 power 4. In many of the physics questions or in physics MCQs, you will be used to see this kind of like options or notations. Okay, so that is called as scientific notations. So you need to write this big number in that kind of manner. So how to write in a easy way? So let's take this example to understand in a better way. So take that decimal. Okay, take some decimal. So first listen the process, then you will going to answer any kind of question easily. If you want to write any scientific notation for any particular number, you can write with this process. Okay, so listen carefully. So just take this that decimal here and count how many like numbers you have. So take from right, go right to left. Okay, so this is considered as 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5. So there are so 5 numbers from right to left. So I'm taking like this. So take the point here 3.6. You need to write 3.6. You need to write 3.6 into 10 power. So how many you got? Decimal points 5. So that is the answer. So the simple solution. Okay, 3.6 into 10 power 5. So how I did is like this. So I just taken a big number to explain you in a better way. So I written this big number in a scientific notation. So that is 3.6 into 10 power 5. So without this large number, you can represent in this way. Okay, so this is like looks very professional. Okay, so let's consider one more example to get a clear view about this topic. So I'm taking a random number like this, a random number in the sense like 4 9 0 1 2 3 4 5. So it doesn't matter how big is the number. Okay, so the process remains same. So let's consider the decimal point over here. Okay, so apply the same procedure what I done previously. 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there are 7 decimal points that can be possible. So you need to take the decimal over here. So you need to write 4.9 into 10 power 7. So this is the scientific notation. You will be representing very large number in this scientific notation with in a very easy way. Okay, so there are some cases you need to write in e notation. So like better to like understand this concept as well in these examples only. So there will be a like concept like e notation. So if you are doing any physics questions, so you need to write like a very large number. So after your calculation you will be getting a certain kind of number, you need to denote that thing in e notation. So e notation is nothing but like you need to represent the same number. So here you got one point, right? 4.901234 like that. So you need to write like exact number in e notation. So e notation is nothing but like in instead of 10 you will be writing e. So that is called e notation. So they will be, that will be so this same number will be represented in e notation in like I'm writing for you 4.9 0 1 2 3 4 and 5 and e7. E7 is nothing but this is the e notation value. So I hope you understood these two concepts over here. So I explained you what is a scientific notation and what is a e notation. So I taken two examples and I explain you in a very clear way. So there is also like another notation that is nothing but engineering notation, like that will be like out of syllabus. engineering notation. So just remember, you need to write like you will remember like you will remove one power here and write 49.01234 like that into 10 power 6. So that is nothing but engineering notations. So there are three notations I explained you in this video, like scientific notation, e notation, and engineering notation. So mostly concentrate on scientific notation, how to write big numbers into this kind of manner, and also like remember what is e notation and engineering notation also. So I hope this session helpful for you. If you like this session, give like, share, comment to this video, and share to your friends and colleagues who are preparing for competitive exams and other placement tests. Okay, thank you for visiting this video.